Good morning, all of you. How are you all? You all are good? Okay. So, are you all ready for today's class? Today, we are going to start our class with child centric writing skills perfection toolkit. Okay. So, all of you go and bring your writing skills book. Let's start writing and bring your pencil and eraser as well. Try you to use a less of eraser. So let's see which letter we are going to write today. Okay, we were done with letter G. Today we are going to write letter H. Today we are going to write letter H. Okay, first of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Put the date, month, year, and circle the weather for today. Okay. First of all, we are going to listen to the phonic sound of letter H.
H, H. Happy horses laughing loud, Hopping here and hopping there, H is the sound of H.
H is the sound of H. H is the sound of H. H is the sound of H. H is the sound of H. Okay. So which letter is this? This is letter H. Which letter it is? Letter H. Okay. H, horse. H, horse. H, house. H, house. H, hen. H, hat. H, helicopter. H, hut. Okay. This is capital H and this is small h. Which letter it is? This is letter H. This is letter H. Okay. And who is he? He is Hank the hippo. Hank the hippo. What is having in his hand? He's having hanky in his hand and hat on head. Okay. So which letter is this? This is H. Ho. Let's write letter H like this. Okay, then you have to give a curve like this. This is letter H. This is letter H. Which letter is this? This is letter H. This is letter H. This is letter H. H, horse. H, horse. H, house. H, hen. H, hippo. H, hat. H, hanky. Okay. H, hut. So you have to write letter H. Which letter you have to write over here? You have to write letter H. Okay. So you have to complete this page of writing of letter H. Hank the hippo was terribly cranky. When he got the hiccups, he coughed in his hanky. Hank the hippo was terribly cranky. When he got the hiccups, he coughed in the hanky. This is letter H. Have the children hold their hands in front of their mouth, panting as if out of breath, and say H, hot. The way you blow out when you eat something hot. So you blow out heat out of your mouth. So you have to say H, hot. H, hot. Discuss about horses, their usefulness in past. So we can tell our little ones H, horse. It was used in earlier times for riding, for carrying things. Okay. Now we can make hats of different newspaper, and we can wear them. We can show them ready-made hats as well. Ask, have you seen a helicopter? Does it move on road, in water or air? Okay, so helicopter moves in air. Okay, is the hippopotamus fat or thin? Hippopotamus fat hai, thin hai? Hippopotamus is fat. Hippopotamus is fat. Hippo is their pet name and they eat lots and lots of carrots. Okay, as all of you have a nickname, a pet name, so the pet name of hippopotamus is Hippo. Okay, and what do they love to eat? They love to eat lots and lots of carrots. Okay, now have you seen a hen? What does a hen lay? The hen lays an egg. The hen lays an egg. Okay, now it's her hair. What is the color of your hair? Okay, mine hair color is black, so I'll say black. Okay, okay, so the color of my hair is black, so you have to tell your hair color. Okay, it's her hair. It's her hair. Ask the children to think of animals, people, and things whose name begin with sound H. Okay, so you have to call out the animals, people, thing. Suppose animals are horse, hen, hippopotamus, and people, you can call out any of one whose name starts with letter H at your home, in your near and dear ones. Okay, then you have to name out the things like hanky, hat. So this way you will talk about letter H. Okay, we are done with this page. You have to complete writing of letter H. You have to complete writing of letter H. H, her, horse. Okay, you have to complete the writing part. You have to complete the writing of letter H. This is 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 letter H. Okay. What we are writing? We are writing letter H. We are writing letter H. So this way you have to write letter H. Okay. Moving on to next. Now we are going to do rhyme. So are you all ready for the new rhyme that we did yesterday? Which rhyme it is? Tell me all of you which rhyme it is. That is C. This is me. No, this is not the rhyme. Then it was you are special. Oh, that's good. That the rhyme is you are special. So let us listen to the rhyme now.
Each of us is special to God, that's the way
this is the rhyme. You are special. So we all are special to God. We all are special to God. Whether we are black or white, short or tall, good or bad, God loves us all. Okay? God loves everyone. Moving on to next, now we are going to do maths. So I request all of you go and bring your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Okay? Go and bring your book. Go and bring your mathematics book. Let us start. And let us see what we are writing today. Previously we were done up to number 5. We did number 5. So all of you have completed up to number 5. Sure? Okay. Now we are going to do tracing of patterns. This you have done already. You have already done these patterns. This was a semicircle, a sort of C, and this is the whole circle. This is a complete circle. So you have to complete this whole page today. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Put the date, month, year, and please circle the weather for today. Okay? So now you have to trace the patterns. You have to complete this page of tracing of patterns. Okay? Join the dots you all have done earlier. But now we are doing these patterns because we'll be writing numbers related to it. Okay, these 3 strokes will be helpful to us in writing the further numbers. Okay, so this way you have to do this. Okay, and for this you again have to join the dots and form the circle. This also looks like 0. This looks like 0. Yes, yes, it also looks like 0. 1, 0, 10. So you have to form this circle. You have to join the dots and you have to form this circle. Okay. So you have to complete this whole page. Okay. Ask the children turn round in their places 6 times. Ask the children to place a non-breakable bangle on a sheet of paper and trace its outline to get a circle. Okay, you can take a bangle and on the paper you can draw it. So that will be a circle. That will be a circle. That will look like your this pre-stroke, this image. Okay. So we are done for today. You have to listen to your new rhyme. Then you have to write letter H and recognize all the vocabulary on that page. Then you have to complete this page on your maths book. Okay. We are done for today. We will meet tomorrow. Bye. Take care.